यहाँ पे आप सभी को आमंत्रित कर रहे हैं और आप लोग यहाँ पर आए, उसका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आज मैं एक नई मॉडलिटी के बारे में आपको बताऊंगी। पहले मैं मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन देती हूँ। मैं पूजा शिंदे, कल्याण मुंबई से हूँ। एक्सेस बार फैसिलिटेटर हूँ, रेकी मास्टर हूँ और हीलिंग सेशंस लेती हूँ। तो मुझे एक हीलिंग मॉडलिटी के बारे में पता चला जो जिसने मुझे बहुत अट्रैक्ट किया और मैं चाहती थी कि वो सारी चीजें आपको भी पता चले। तो मैंने वो मेथड के जो को फाउंडर है ब्रिंडा एंड चारू जी, उनको मैंने यहाँ पे इनवाइट किया है। वो उनके हीलिंग मेथड्स के बारे में आपको बताएंगे। तो नाउ तो ऑल आर एक्साइटेड टू टॉक विद देम। तो मैं ब्रिंडा एंड चारू जी को
Yes.
बोलूंगी या तो ब्रिंडा एंड चारू जी, आप है यहाँ पे या आप आपका माइक म्यूट है? यू आर म्यूटेड या
We're talking only to ourselves. Hello everyone. Hi Pooja. Hi all.
Hello everyone.
या तो यह है ब्रिंडा एंड चारू जी। ये आपको इनकी हीलिंग मॉडलिटी के बारे में बताएंगे जिसने मुझे बहुत अट्रैक्ट किया और मैंने इनका कोर्स ज्वाइन किया है। So how does it get even better than that? What else is possible? तो ओवर टू यू, आप बता सकते हैं आपके बारे में।
Hello everyone. Thank you very much for giving us this your time to come and listen to us. We are basically the founders of BNC Miracle Method. And in case you're wondering what is BNC, it's Brenda Charu. So we would like to share our story and how we actually founded this method. And as our name stands for it, miracle, that's exactly what we do. We have multiple miracles, and not only us, all our students who have learned keep doing miracles. And so, you know, I think all of you, since you all have joined, are all looking to do miracles in your life, or are doing miracles in your life. So this is only going to add more knowledge and more, what do you say, let's say awesomeness to what you'll already do. So Charu, you can begin.
So I want to ask you one question. Have you ever experienced a situation in your life where you know the problem, but you can't figure out a solution? No matter how competent, how courageous you are, but there seems to be no solution to a problem. Have you ever experienced such a situation in your life? Well, it happened with me in my journey way back in 2002. I was in my hometown in India, and I was an owner of a very established business. And life and passion at that time was earning money and being more successful, creating a big business. That was my passion at that time. And then everything was good. You know, those were the times of fax machine. The fax machine kept rolling, new orders, new clients, more money. Life was going at a perfect speed and order the way I planned. But then times changed. And suddenly I hit a roadblock. Everything, you know, started creating problems, labor issue, rejections, cancellations, fights and arguments. All these type of energies started cropping up in my business. And I did not know what's going on. Previously, my experience was everything that I touched turned to gold. Now, everything that I was touching was turning to ash or sand or dust or whatever. But so, you know, how we are brought up, especially in India, we were in a joint family. I spoke to my cousins and said, you know, things are not going right. I don't know what's happening. So people, you know, my cousins took me to astrologers. I went to astrologer and I was told by the astrologer, oh, there's black magic done on your business. So I said, I didn't believe in all these things. I said, what the hell is that? Anyhow, friends took me to palmists, pundits. So I met people from different walks of life and they all gave the same diagnosis. That was that your business is ruined by black magic. And I thought black magic existed only in our Bollywood movies or Hindi serials. So anyway, when I asked these people about a remedy, okay, if I trust you, what is a remedy? Spend 1 lakh rupees for this remedy and and we'll sort it out. I did spend a lot of money, but I did not get any solution. So cutting long story short, I had to close my business. And that was a time when I moved to Dubai. I left India with a big question mark on my heart. Because by that time I had researched on internet and read more and talked to more people. So I knew this type of energy existed. So I left India with a big question mark. If there is black, then where is white? If there are so many people giving the right diagnosis, then why we can't get a solution? So I left with this question mark and I came to Dubai. And then that was the beginning of my spiritual journey. I started learning each and every course that came in my awareness. And this was the search of white for me, that where is the white energy? How can we cure such things? Where is the solution to all these things? And in one of the courses which I did, I met Brinda in Hong Kong in one of the spiritual course which we both attended.
Yeah, so I also have been in this field of alternative healing for the last 31 years. And my first exposure was Reiki actually. And that opened up actually my thirst for alternative healing, occult science. And since then, it's no turning back. I have leaped into like spirituality in a big way. Studying, learning, and I'm still studying. There is no end to studying actually, because knowledge is just a gift to us. The more knowledge we have, the more things we are exposed to, and the more we learn, the more things we can work with. So Charu and me had gone. I met basically Charu about 7 years ago, and we had gone to Hong Kong actually. And I from Dubai and she from Dubai. We met in Hong Kong. And that's when we actually clicked. And the reason why we clicked was basically we saw that we had one mission. Our mission was basically to empower every single person we meet. And our vision, which was more or less the same, was to create healers in every home. And this is what we keep wanting to do, that every home should have a PNC miracle method practitioner, because this method is so easy and it's like very accessible to anyone. You don't have to be intuitive, and you don't have to be in a meditative state. And we follow our passion, which is basically instant healing and bringing about change in your body faster than the time of speed.
So I remember one time, me and Brinda, we were driving together, and we both are fan of Sai Baba. So I told Brinda that, I want to be like him. Like, he manifests whatever he wants. And why can't we be like him? And we both laughed at that joke. But believe me, in due course, we got blessed by divine energies, and the miracle method came our way. And that's what we do. We create miracles every single day. That's what we are doing. And to talk a little bit more about miracle method is copyrighted and internationally copyrighted under my and Brinda's name. And it's a very direct way of tapping into any person's energy field. So
कोई भी सीख सकता है कि मतलब उसके लिए किसी को कुछ बेसिक नॉलेज होना चाहिए, मतलब रैंडम
कोई भी सीख सकता है, कोई भी सीख सकता है। हाँ जी, हमारा सबसे इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब सबसे इजी यही है कि है ना, हमारे जो सबसे सीनियर स्टूडेंट जो हैं वो 80 इयर्स की हैं। और मेथड जो है वो इतना सिंपल है, इट्स ओनली आस्किंग 3 क्वेश्चंस एंड दैट्स इट। इसमें सिर्फ आप 3 क्वेश्चन पूछिए। और यूजुअली जो मैंने और बिंदा ने काफी मोडेलिटीज सीखी भी है, तो हमने देखा ज्यादातर मोडेलिटीज में क्या है कि वो मेडिटेटिव हैं या वो बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स होती हैं, तो फिर उसको ना बहुत प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ता है करके उसको याद रखने के लिए। और मेडिटेटिव प्रोसेसेस क्या है, अगर आप में थोड़ा हुनर है उस तरह का अपने माइंड को ले जाने, शांत करने का, तब तो आप उसमें रिजल्ट देखते हैं। पर अगर आपका विजुअलाइजेशन या आपका वो मेडिटेटिव एटीट्यूड नहीं है तो ध्यान लगाना बड़ा मुश्किल है। और आजकल स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ ज्यादा है, तो इसलिए जो हमने जो टेक्निक डेवलप की वो मेडिटेटिव प्रोसेस नहीं है, पहली बात तो। तो अगर आपके घर में टीवी भी चल रहा है तभी भी आप बैठ के काम कर सकते हैं इस पे।
वाओ, दैट्स ग्रेट।
दूसरा ये टच थेरेपी नहीं है, इसमें सो आप चाहे मेरे सामने यहाँ पे बैठे हो, चाहे आप इंडिया बैठे हो, चाहे आप अमेरिका बैठे हो, the entire operation is done on a set of chart. So we have these type of charts. So we use a chart and we use a pendulum. बस ये दो चीजें, सारा ऑपरेशन इस टेबल पे, इस चार्ट पे होएगा, और आप और किसी पे वर्क करने के लिए सिर्फ उसका नाम चाहिए बस. हालांकि लोग मुझे जब आप सेशन करते हैं तो लोग पिक्चर भेज देते हैं, बर्थडे, टाइम ऑफ बर्थ, पर एक्चुअली हमको कनेक्ट करने के लिए सिर्फ नाम चाहिए, और उससे हम आपकी पूरी एनर्जी में टैप करके और आपके इमोशंस क्या हैं उसको हम निकाल के उसको हील कर सकते हैं.
वाओ, दैट्स ग्रेट. क्योंकि जनरली हम लोग को ऐसा लगता है ना कि मेरी फ्रेंड को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं उसको सॉर्ट आउट करूं, लेकिन वो विलिंगनेस में नहीं है कि वो ले या नहीं ले, तो वो टाइम पे हम उनके नाम के ऊपर वर्क करके उनको फ्री कर सकते हैं वहां पे, है ना?
सो
वन क्वेश्चन, अगर क्लाइंट रिसेप्टिव नहीं है, वो नहीं चाहता, तो भी हम कर सकते हैं?
हाँ जी, तो उसका भी एक तरीका होता है, हाउ टू मेक हिम रिसेप्टिव. सो बेसिकली इन मिरेकल मेथड अ सेशन इज डन इन 4 स्टेजेस. 4 स्टेप है, सिंपल. पहला स्टेप होता है एनर्जी चेकअप. एनर्जी चेकअप में हम क्या करते हैं, वी चेक द ऑरिक फील्ड ऑफ द क्लाइंट. अगर उसमें डार्क एंटिटीज या कुछ इन्वेजिव एनर्जीज हैं तो उनको हम बाहर करते हैं. डार्क एनर्जीज का अगर मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल, एक केस स्टडी दूं, तो एक बार एक क्लाइंट आया, उसकी स्टोरी ये थी कि he had gone to पाकिस्तान, और यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट जॉब में थे दुबई में. he had gone for an exhibition. he was representing UAE, और वो एक एग्जीबिशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने पाकिस्तान गए थे. वहां पे पहले दिन एग्जीबिशन तो ठीक निकला, सेकेंड डे उनकी तबीयत खराब हो गई करके उनको पैर में दर्द बहुत हुआ, लूज मोशंस और फूड पॉइजनिंग टाइप सिम्टम्स भी हुए. तो वो दवाई ववाई लेके उस दिन तो उन्होंने खींचा, फिर शाम तक उनको ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हुई तो उन्होंने डॉक्टर को कॉल किया. तो उनके पैरों में ज्यादा दर्द था और
स्क्रीन इज फ्रोजन.
मैम आपका आवाज नहीं है.
तो उन्होंने ज्यादा, कैन यू हियर मी?
या नाउ वी कैन हियर यू.
ओके. So then he had, वो वापस आए, वापस UAE आ गए, and when he got his checkups done, so finally his pain deteriorated, his health deteriorated, and he was diagnosed with neuropathy. Neuropathy एक nerve disorder है करके. And this is a young guy. He told us he's a football player running around and all. So when he came for a session, he came on crutches. By that time उसने बताया कि वो बेड रेस्ट पे आ गया है, और इतने सिर्फ उसका जो है ऑफिस जाता है, ऑफिस से वापस आता है और बाकी बेड रेस्ट रहता है करके, और ऑफिस जाना भी इज अ चैलेंज फॉर हिम, क्रचेस पे हो गया था करके. एंड ही वाज टेकिंग सो मेनी पेन किलर्स कि इट वाज इफेक्टिंग हिज लिवर. He came after 9 months of this episode. So when we did his healing, as I told you, the first step is we clear the auric field. वो करते करते ही उनका पेन उनको बेटर लगने लगा, एंड हम लोग सेशन कर ही रहे थे, एंड ही स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग इन द रूम. एंड बाय द टाइम वी फिनिश्ड, वो क्रचेस को आर्म में उठा के ले गया, उसको यूज करके नहीं गया करके. So negativity clearance is a big thing that we do in as a step 1. Then step 2, as somebody asked also, that if somebody is not willing, and that is exactly what we do. Second step is we check the willingness of the client. And this willingness is not at the conscious level, this is at a subconscious level. So if I tell you a case study for willingness, I remember one time this one lady, she came and she told me that she can't conceive. Medically she was fit, but no matter how much she tried, usne kuch treatments bhi liye, but she did not conceive. So when we checked her willingness, actually at subconscious level, it was only 10%. And when I teach, I tell students, willingness is a current that goes to the intention. So agar current hi 10% is, so how can we see 100% result? So then with miracle method, we raised her willingness, and then within a month, she conceived naturally. In fact, she was planning to go for IVF and other things, but it happened naturally. So this willingness is a big part, which we clear with our method as well. Then the third part is what we call as energetic surgery. So we call this method as an energetic surgery, and that's where we actually dip into your energy field, and we check on active memories, your genetic stuff, and all those type of things, the active and dormant memories that you are carrying. So we do a full digging of your energy field in that, and we list out all those emotions that are blocking you to be in the flow. Brenda can share her osteoarthritis.
Basically, I had a very bad pain in my thumb, and it just happened in the morning, and I got up in the morning and I had a very bad pain. So I just applied, I did healing and I applied balm and everything. And by evening, the pain did not go. So then I said, you know what, and it became worse by evening actually. So then I went to emergency and they said, oh, this is beginning of osteoarthritis. So I'm like, okay. I went home, and then Charu actually did 2 healings for me. And then they gave me an appointment a week later to go and see the doctor, orthopedic doctor. And so when I went, by the time I went to the doctor, I had, like, the next day of Charu did my 1 session, I had no pain at all. And then she did another session, and there was absolutely no pain. So we just went to the doctor just to keep the appointment to see, oh, what happened, And when I went, he's like bending my hand. Can you move it this way? Can you move it here? Any pain here? Any pain there? And I'm like, no pain. So he's like, oh, very strange. Then he's like, so I told him, anyway, you do X-ray. Let's see what happened. So when he did the X-ray, he said, okay, I know. He couldn't find any pain. So he only said, let's do an X-ray to see if there's calcification or something is there, in the body. And then when he took the X-ray was fully clear. There was absolutely nothing to say there was pain, arthritis, osteoarthritis, anything. So basically that pain was just the emotional pain that got stuck for that day. And actually, had I not cleared it, that would have actually, the emotional content of it would have got stuck. So 2 days before, I was very angry. I had a very big fight and I was mega angry. So that mega angry all got stored into my thumb because I was so mad and I couldn't express myself. So all of that got pain stuck in my thumb. So thankfully, that the method was there, that it really made a big difference for me. So that was one of our biggest miracles, wow, this is not there anymore.
Yeah, the calcifications which was tested in the emergency, everything got cleared within 5 days. So, and the last step that we do in BNC Miracle Method is, because in other modalities, when we used to do the healing sessions, it was I felt it was like a blind game. Okay, you have done a session. Now, when will I see the result? Should I wait for 3 days, 3 hours, or 3 months? How long should I wait to see a result? So I used to always feel I'm quite a logical mind, and I like to see science in every action. So I was like, okay, theta healing, Reiki, all these meditative, beautiful processes, but how long should I wait to see the results? So when we created our method, we put that in order where you can actually get an idea that how long it is going to take for whatever work you have done, how long it's going to take to show results. So that we did that. And I remember one time, me and Brenda, would you like to share that, the coma one? Or should I? Okay. So one time, Brenda got a client, and this guy was in coma. So her relatives approached her, can you do something about that? So Brenda said, okay, we'll do a session. So Brenda just discussed with me that, Charu, this guy is in coma from last 1 month, and the relatives have asked, so what should I clear? So we were just generally discussing, when we get these critical cases, we discuss a strategy together. So we were just talking about it. And then she started her session. And I remember when she finished the session, she told me, this uncle is going to wake up at the middle of the night, because the results to show up was only a few hours. So jokingly, she told me this uncle is going to wake up at the middle of the night because energy integration is showing only a few hours. So we both we laughed and we left it. Next morning, the lady who booked the session called and said that my uncle is out of coma. So that
Wow.
was like, wow. Like, and this coma thing, not only Brenda, a lot of students have done these miracles, bringing people out of coma with miracle method. A lot of students have also done that. So these are the 4 steps that we follow in miracle method. I think, how about demos? Yeah, demo. We would like to.
Anyone would like a demo? Would like us to do a demo?
So anybody having pain
Hi.
at this point of time? Anybody having pain at this point of time?
Yeah, I am having.
My
Hello?
husband is having toothache.
Yeah, I am having pain.
And fever also.
We are giving demos for pain. Fever needs a full session, but for pain, we can.
He is having toothache.
Who's having toothache?
My husband.
We'll take Ashwin. Ashwin, let's work with you first. What do you have?
Okay.
I have my pain in my lower back.
Okay.
At this point of time, it's hurting?
Yeah, it's hurting.
So on a scale of 10, how do you rate your pain? 10 being worse and 0 being no pain. So how do you...
I will rate it about like 7.
Okay, so
6,
that means
7.
more than 50% pain.
Yeah.
So, okay, so we'll start with Ashwin. So just give us a second.
So what we're going to do is we're going to work on our charts, and using a pendulum, we will identify what his emotion is with his act, and we'll also clear it with our method, and we'll see now what happens then. So give us about 2-3 minutes.
You said lower back, right?
Yeah.
और भी किसी को अभी पेन हो रहा होगा तो फिर वो जैसे अश्विन जी का क्लियर होता है तो आप लोग क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो और आपके पेन के बारे में डिस्कस कर सकते हो।
पूजा जी लॉन्ग टर्म इसके लिए भी यूज होता है थायराइड वगैरह के लिए भी?
We'll come to that. Just give us a second. We'll come to that. We'll answer these.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Actually, what you can do is put it in the chat and we'll pick it up from the chat. So it's much easier then. Because then otherwise a lot of you all want to speak together. So Pooja, if you could tell them to put it in the chat and we'll pick it up from the chat, all the questions that they have.
या तो आप लोग आपके क्वेश्चंस चैट में डाल दीजिए और फिर मैम एक एक जन को बोलेंगे और आपके डाउट्स वगैरह क्लियर करेंगे।
Okay, so we finished. It's showing 2 to 3 minutes for energy to integrate for whatever we have done. But we can still ask you. You said 7. So check now where it is.
Yeah, it is becoming lesser and lesser. I'm feeling different. Yeah.
Okay.
Like I will rate it now like on a scale of 1 to 10 at 3.
Okay.
Awesome.
Awesome. So
Others are gonna do better than that, right, Pooja?
Yeah.
And that's
so yeah, we claim to clear pain faster than a painkiller.
Yeah.
And that's what we teach also. So this is exactly what we did is, and just to make you understand what happened here is, so in his lower back, so life is all about being in the flow. So and the energy in the body should be in the flow. So in his lower back, the flow of energy was blocked. And when the flow of energy was blocked, then the body gives you pain or some disease, something which is not good. Same thing happens in our relationship. Life has to be in the flow between us and our loved ones or whoever we deal with. When it is in the flow, there is harmony in the relationship. But when there is a energy or turbulence block, then there is conflict and things that we don't like, disharmony in relationship. And same with money. When you are in the flow, the money will come to you. But when there are blocks, that's where the disturbance or the disharmony or the negative things start showing up in our lives. So here in his back, what we did was we quickly tapped into his energy field and we cleared the emotion that was the cause of any issue, whether it is relationship issue, whether it is money, abundance, whether it is health. The cause is always emotion. So with miracle method, we asked the 3 questions. That's it. We tapped into his energy field. We cleared the block that was stuck. The moment that emotion is cleared, the energy became in the flow. And the moment the energy is in the flow, the client will tell you, oh yeah, now I feel the difference. Yes, the pain is going less. So this is a simple technique that we use, and this is how it shows.
In a day, may I ask you a question? In a day, how many times, to do that, the therapy? Like how you're doing pendulum and...
Yeah, so see, here what we did was like just a demo session, but this is not like, what should I say? This is not temporary relief because we did shift some energy. So now, so this is not like a chiropractitioner adjustment where, it stays for a few days and then it comes back to its original thing. So as far as how many times, so this was just a demo session, which we did in like a minute or so. But when we do a session, we do it, it takes an hour, around an hour, and that's it. It depends on how chronic the issue is. Certain things need multiple 2 to 3 sessions. Otherwise, most of the things get resolved in less sessions. But the method itself is focused on results. Because there are so many modalities which we have also learned between me and Brenda. We have learned matrix energetics, shamanism, SRT, Reiki, pranic healing, Akashic records. You also name some, kinesiology.
Okay, may I ask you again, is this something to do with, I mean, this energy, this is like an energy healing, right? I
Yes.
mean, is there any chanting or anything,
No.
or only just pendulum and the drawing that one you show?
So basically our method is a technique. So we teach you a technique. It's very scientific based. So there's no, airy fairy stuff. It's like how we do the process, what we tap into, how we come about our method. So the technique, you taught a technique, and this technique you keep repeating. So you can't go wrong in the technique. It's like just later on you'll do it like even blindfolded, you can do the technique. So it's a 3-step process, 3-step technique. And that's about it with a pendulum. And we teach you how to use the pendulum and how to work with a pendulum as well safely. Yeah.
It is similar to dowsing method.
It's like driving a car.
1 minute, Ashwin. Yeah. So, yes, Ashwin. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a pendulum method, means dowsing.
Yeah, we use a pendulum for our work. Yeah. To get the answers, we use a pendulum. To work with clearing, we use a pendulum as well.
Okay. Because I have done dowsing from one place, so that's why I know
Our
a
method
little
is
bit
very
of
different
dowsing.
because we have founded our method. We actually, because of our research and what we've accumulated in our background, in our studies, and it's a tried and tested method, as we said. So it gives you different results. So it's not like yes and no dowsing. It's a method.
So see, dowsing people used to for fortune telling. This is not a fortune telling tool. This is a healing tool. You create your future with this. Yeah.
But why using dowsing na? I'm not so much like means वो dowsing से मेरे को कुछ answers ही नहीं आते ठीक से मतलब.
It's not, as I told you, even with our method, it's not for fortune telling. It's not for getting answers. You can't get answers like that the way people use it. मेरी शादी होगी कि नहीं, promotion होगा कि नहीं, बच्चा लड़का है या लड़की है, नहीं, ये सब नहीं. This is only for healing.
So just to tell you, Ashwin, what were your emotions behind your back pain? So is it okay to share your emotions?
Yeah. Okay.
So thank you. So basically your main emotion was abundance. So your worry about abundance or money is probably a little bit more big than in your world right now. And so that was your emotion. And you had a lot of anger. So there was this anger for whatever reason you were having it in your energy field, and that was actually blocking your energy. So just to give you, so let you know. So what we say is awareness is 50% healing. Once you have an awareness of what's happening with you or why your back pain is there, you already have got healing 50%.
Okay. Understand. But these emotions come like if we clear the anger, then again some situation will happen in that day, and again the thought will come, and again the anger will erupt. That also things happen, no, on everyday basis. So how this will work? Like
you have to have a positive mindset. So this is what happens once you start doing this method. You have a tool to clear your anger. So if you are an angry person, like I used to be very angry, so I needed to clear my anger. So you can every day work on yourself, because this is also a self-empowerment tool. So you work on yourself, clear your anger, and slowly your anger won't be there. And you have a tool, so you will be able to dissolve it. And that's the beauty about it.
So now there are two ways of anger. Anger is actually there to process something in our life. It's an emotion created by God. So there is no harm in being angry. But when you store it in your, when it goes at a subconscious level, at conscious level, finish it off and that's it. Live like a child. So if you get angry, of course, we all have to get angry, like, thanks to our relatives. Just joking. But we get angry, but it's like you have to live like a child. What a child does, it gets angry and within seconds, it's laughing like, ha, ha, ha. Here the child was angry and crying, and within no time, within 2 minutes, it's over for the child and he's again playing or laughing. So you have to, anger becomes a problem when we hold it as grudges and store it in our body and organs. But if you release it and then forget about it, then it's good. Then it won't harm you. It's only that suppressed and holding it at that level. So once you clear it, and if you still do the same thing, it will take you a little time to recreate the pain. It won't happen that fast. It's a lot of hard work that you did to create the back pain. It didn't happen overnight.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I
this
mean,
anyone can do. This means this method anyone can do it
Yes.
easily.
This class is open for everybody. As I told you, all people in Dubai, they started sending their parents also. They said they have more time, so anybody can learn this method. It's a simple technique. It's not a meditation, or you don't need any qualities of being intuitive, meditative, or anything. It's a simple technique which method we will teach you in 15-20 minutes only. But it's a full day class. And I tell people, give me 1 day of your life and I will teach you something very self-empowering. So method we teach in 15-20 minutes, but the whole class is for 6 hours. We have divided it into 2 days, 3 hours one day, 3 hours on the second day, so that your absorption and everything is good. We teach you in a very scientific way. We tell you the science behind it, and then we teach you method in 15 minutes, and the rest of the day we make you practice. So by the end of the day, you know how to work on yourself and how to work on others. Because as I told you, the whole operation is done on the charts. So you can work on yourself, and you can, like, you are in which part of India are you sitting?
I stay at Mumbai, but
Mumbai.
currently I am at my village.
Yeah, so we are sitting in Dubai and you are in Mumbai. So we just, by your name, we can tap into any person's, and this is exactly what we teach.
But I don't have dowser with me now, so I can learn it without dowser.
That happens in the class, dear, not in the talk.
Okay. No, but I have to buy it before class.
Yes, yeah. Sorry, we send you everything, the charts and the dowser, everything we will send you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to enroll for that, and I have already enrolled, and I am excited for that. If you are also, you can also enroll, and you can attend class on 13th and 14th of this month. I am
Pooja ji, I have a question.
हाँ पूछिए ना आप।
तो जैसे आपने बताया इसमें एंटिटीज का भी पता चल जाता है, तो हमें एंटिटीज फील होती है, पता चल जाता है कि किसी के साथ कोई एंटिटीज हैं?
जी, इसमें हमारे जो इसके जो कोर्सेज हैं, जो इसके 2 लेवल 2 में हम पूरा सिर्फ नेगेटिविटी क्लियरेंस पे ही वी टीच। सो लेवल 1 में आपको पहले तो आपको लेवल 1 करना होता है इसमें, ताकि आपको मिरेकल मेथड आ जाए, जैसे अभी हमने डेमो दिया पेन क्लियर का। लेवल 2 जो है इसमें वो पूरी क्लास ही नेगेटिविटी क्लियरेंस पे है डेडिकेटेड। तो उसमें वी टीच यू हाउ टू फाइंड इट, कि किसमें क्या क्या है, क्योंकि कई तरह के आइटम्स होते हैं, जैसे किसी को कर्स लगा हुआ है, कोई नजर लगी हुई है, कोई ब्लैक मैजिक है, कुछ भी इस तरह का है, तो उसको कैसे डिटेक्ट करना है चार्ट पे ही, वो भी चार्ट पे ही होता है, और उसको सेफली कैसे क्लियर कर सकते हैं, उसको भी हमने पूरा सॉर्ट आउट कर रखा है। तो वो हम लेवल 2 में टीच करते हैं।
Okay, thank you. And for money problems, it also work.
Yes, for money problem it also. लेवल 1 में जब सिखाते हैं तो मनी पे ही वर्क करते हैं। लेवल 1 में हम मनी पे ही क्लास में प्रैक्टिस करवाते हैं, ताकि विद इन अ वीक लोगों को फिर उसके चेंजेस दिखने लगते हैं मनी में।
ओके, और अगर किसी को पेन है, और वो मतलब जैसे एंगर की वजह से आपने बताया, और उनका एंगर ज्यादा है, अब किसी को अगर हमने आज हील कर दिया, उनका पेन कम हो गया, विद इन अ वीक उनको दोबारा होने लगा, तो हमें बार बार उनको हील करना होगा?
नहीं, तो इसमें अगर कोई बहुत ही क्रॉनिक पुराना पेन है, जैसे किसी का 10 साल पुराना पेन है, 6 साल पुराना पेन है, बैक एक है, या कुछ भी इस तरह का है, तो उस केस में आप एक सेशन करेंगी, उनको फर्क महसूस भी होगा करके। पर अगर वो दोबारा पेन आता भी है तो वो इंटेंसिटी नहीं आएगी करके, इंटेंसिटी कम होगी। तो इसमें क्या होता है कि कई, जैसे मैंने कहा, कुछ चीजों में थोड़े सेशन ज्यादा लगते हैं, तो धीरे धीरे बॉडी रीजनरेट होने लगती है और उनके वो बॉडी में रिपेयर होने लगता है, तो स्लोली फिर वो चीज ठीक हो जाती है।
ओके, अगर उनका एंगर कंट्रोल में नहीं आता तब भी मतलब वो पेन,
एंगर मैंने कहा ना, एंगर तो एक गॉड गिफ्टेड वो इमोशन है, उसको आप हटा नहीं सकते, पर वो अगर स्टोर हो रहा है बॉडी में और वो उस हिसाब से सप्रेस्ड या वो टू मच एग्रेशन, तो जब आप उस पर वर्क करेंगी, जैसे जैसे अगर आप हटाएंगी, जैसे कोई सब्जी है उसमें बहुत मिर्ची है, तो जब जैसे जैसे उसकी मिर्ची निकालेंगी तो सब्जी की वो तीखापन कम होएगा। तो इन द सेम वे जैसे जैसे आप उनका एंगर पे वर्क करेंगी या उस पे वर्क करेंगी तो उनकी एंगर की इंटेंसिटी कम होती चली जाएगी फिजिकल रियलिटी में भी। सो लेट्स टेक अनदर डेमो। हु आर यू वर्किंग ऑन विनर?
Usha,
डॉक्टर इंद्रा जी।
Usha, are you there?
या आई एम देयर। डॉक्टर इंद्रा जी, आपको बोलना था ना?
डाला है, चैट में डाला है।
हाँ, आप बताइए ना आपको क्या पेन हो रहा है, तो मैम आपका ये करेंगे फिर।
अच्छा, मेरे को तो मेरे को बैक से 10 साल से मेरे को पेन है।
10 years. किधर है मैम? वेयर इज योर पेन?
मेरे को बैक से लेके पूरा नीचे आता है, थाइस, फिर बाद में लेग्स, नीज, फिर एंकल एंड देन टोस। दोनों बायलैटरल है, मेरे को बायलैटरल से है,
लोअर साइड में है उनको।
पूरा बैक से लेके नीचे तक आता है पेन।
So with my experience, like, you know, even without checking, I can tell you that this is a classic case of dark energies. And did you see when we tried to connect to her, they are even blocking the communication because only her voice is coming garbled. So this definitely requires a full session. And from my experience, when I teach also, me and Brenda, we have seen 90% leg pain is due to negativity. 90%. Shall we give it a shot? We'll give it a shot to Dr. Indra, your pain.
Yeah.
So pick one pain point. Where should we work one pain point?
Sorry?
एक पेन पॉइंट पकड़ लें कोई सा, कौन सा जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा तकलीफ?
लेफ्ट नी, लेफ्ट नी।
लेफ्ट नी
उनको ज्यादा पेन हो रहा है।
तो on a scale of 10, how bad is your pain?
96।
अभी 6 पे है
जी।
लेफ्ट So it's showing 4 minutes for energy to integrate, but we can check with Dr. Indra. She said left knee pain. Or maybe she needs time to comprehend. Take a sip of water and then check. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll work on Usha. Usha, unmute yourself.
Yes. I have a pain on my shoulder on the right side.
Okay.
And then it's going downward to the thorax behind.
Okay, thorax behind. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And so right shoulder pain, and how bad it is on a scale of 10, 10 being maximum pain, 0 means no pain.
6. 6 to 7.
6 to 7. Okay. Okay, so Dr. Indra, and yes. So what she said, how much was her pain? 6. You said knee pain was 6. So did you check, Dr.?
Yes, yes. It is now 5.
It's not, it's on 5. Okay.
Wow,
So knees basically, guys, are little stubborn to heal, because the emotion that usually gets stored in knees is stubbornness. Pride and stubbornness is what gets stored there. So they are actually stubborn to heal, but by tonight, it should come a little bit more down. But you do need a full session in a demo session, because we need to clear your negativity first. So we recommend you a session for sure. Usha?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, let's complete.
I'll just explain your emotions. So your emotions about forgiveness, and maybe forgiveness with mother. So maybe look at where you have you're not able to forgive someone or something, what happened to you, and that will actually.
Sorry, can you say it again, please?
That's for Dr. Indira.
Yeah. So for Dr. Indira, basically it's about forgiveness, something that you haven't forgiven someone or somebody or yourself. So maybe look at that and see, you know, where you can change that. And maybe with your mother as well. I don't know, something about with your mother as well. Yes?
I don't remember.
Yeah, now that you have an awareness, it will come through. Because now you have something, so it will come. Something will remember. Some memory will come up for you. Maybe now, of course, you don't remember, and that's normal. But maybe it will come up later, and maybe you can do a forgiveness prayer, like a Ho'oponopono prayer, or I forgive you, or I let go, or something. And then your knee pain will actually maybe go as well.
Wow, so sweet. That's great.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Usha?
Yes.
Yeah. How is your pain?
God.
Facial expression is changed.
Yeah. Totally changed. She's smiling. और बताइए उषा जी कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Yeah, fine. I'm fine, but a little bit there is, I can say 2.
Wow. How does it get even better than that?
Yeah,
it will take 3 minutes. So
yeah, the energy is still integrating.
Energy is still integrating.
Your emotions for you, it's all about for you, Usha, to do about freedom. Something to do with freedom. So think about what freedom means to you, or where you don't have freedom to be what you are, do what you want. And maybe the right side is about male energy. So maybe that one person in your life who's a male figure isn't giving you the ability to be, to give you the freedom to be who you are or what you want to be.
Okay. What else is possible?
अच्छा, चैट में किसी ने डाला है साइनस वगैरह भी हील होता है क्या इसमें?
Yeah, so people were talking about thyroid, sinus. Why don't you show one or couple of the slides that we have?
Because one patient is with us for
yes, sinus can be healed, neuralgia can be healed, sciatica pain can be healed.
So anything that is chronic, basically we are talking about 3 to 5 sessions depending on the severity of it. So maybe 5 sessions or 3 sessions. So people with chronic thyroid, we have done many times where we've removed people from even taking the medicines. So that's a very, very easy work for us. The rest, everything can be addressed, or whatever is put. There is nothing that is not able to be addressed. Even money is an energetic imbalance. And actually, when we do money, we actually do a discovery session about person's money beliefs, and we clear the person's money beliefs. So money just starts automatically flowing in. Where money is stuck, you know. So for example, I'll give you an for money example. We had a client and they came to us. They were doing very well, but they wanted to open up their money more. And when we did a discovery session, they were husband and wife, so they took separate three money sessions each. And when we saw for both of them, both of them wanted to have big money, and they wanted to give all this money to charity. So they say, I want to give money to give to charity. But in their psyche mind, it was like, okay, how am I going to live then if I get money and I give all of this? So they weren't able to even make that money, because they didn't want to give to charity. Consciously, subconsciously, there was so much conflict in their mind. And when we did the session, their money started opening up, and their house, which was stuck for 10 years, they couldn't sell their house for 10 years. They have sold it within a month of our session. Because then now they could get that money and they could keep it and utilize it for whatever they wanted to invest or make their own, you know, nest egg or whatever they wanted to make. So this is how the money works. I can give you another money example as well. We had a client and they're in debt. And when we took the session, we talked to them, and then we realized that they can manifest money for their urgent needs. So if tomorrow they have to pay like rent, electricity, telephone, school fees, somehow, even though they're in debt, somehow they will do business, and that money, say they want 1 lakh, that 1 lakh would show up. But they are always in this state of only manifesting for themselves what they need. So then I told them, how about, you know, including everything, like, you know, 6 months rent, you want holiday, you want, you know, that business, you want all of that. So if you have that awareness, you can manifest only that much. If you add everything to your pot, you can manifest more. And they're like, wow, we didn't realize we could manifest also. So all this time they're like, oh, we're in debt, we're debt, but they didn't even see how clever they were in manifesting what they wanted. So see that awareness they got. So then now they can manifest bigger, right? Instead of small, you go big. It's very simple, you know, that technique. So what we want to share with you now is, actually we want to share with you why we're doing this and what are our reasons for empowering you. So let me just put a slide on and share with you our training program.
Yeah. We'll
answer your questions, but let's share our training program so at least you all know what we do and what you all can learn from us, you know, because we are here to empower you.
Yeah. program बताइए आपके sessions वगैरह के बारे में.
Yeah. So our training program, which is level 1, and this is what is going to be covered in level 1. You want to talk? Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover what is energy, how the conscious mind plays in your life, how the subconscious mind blocks you, and what your thoughts are in the subconscious mind, how to use the pendulum properly. So it is used for clearing, not for dowsing. And so when you use it for clearing and when you use it for like how we are using it for healing, you'll always be accurate. We don't ask yes and no questions with the pendulum. And how time plays a factor in our life. So we'll explain to you how time is. Everything is very scientifically backed. Everything is very, very technical. So it's a technique. We teach you the technique and we teach you how limiting patterns and beliefs affect your subtle minds. So this is your covered in level 1. What you will be able to do, obviously you have to get something out of it, right? What do you do? So you can do sessions for yourself. You can do sessions for others. You can work on health, money, relationships. You want to sell that property. You want to make more business. You want good grades for your children. Anything and everything. All is in your mind. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. How is the class? It's a Zoom class. It's a 6-hour class. We have 2 classes, one a full day class and one on 2 mornings. What you will get from it is a pendulum and you will get 5 charts. So we send you this 5 charts. We are also IPHM certified. So the Institute of International Practitioners Holistic Medicine Certificate. So basically this is an institute in the UK where we have, they have looked at our material, at our, what course we are doing, and they have certified it. So you can go anywhere and practice this because it's a certified course. So this is level 1. In level 2, it's all about negativity. So we teach you the theory for negativities and how negativities impact and how you can release them safely. And what you can do, you can clear curses, little negative energies, contracts, entities, psychic attacks, spirit possession, implants, black magic, and so much more. Because what we've seen is that, as we explained to you, negativity has a big impact on people's lives and makes people, get stuck in what they are going through. So what the course is about Zoom class, it's a 6-hour class and you'll get 2 charts, one on black magic clearing protocol and one is a negativity menu. And this again is an IPHM certified course. So level 1, our regular price is 40,000. But for the first 10 registrations for today, it is 22,000. With that, we're also giving 5 money manifestation group sessions. So this is basically where we want you to recover what you spend, because we are so sure in our modality that what you spend, you will recover. And we do 5 group calls for our parents. So all those we work on our parents to help them in whatever they are doing. And if you register for level 1 and 2, the regular price is 78,000 rupees. But just for today, it's 42,000. You get 10 money manifestations and 5 group healings and 3 group head sessions. So all of this we help you to work on. We put you in a WhatsApp group so that you're always, we always support you. And so you're in a group, you can ask for healing, you can ask for advice. If you don't know part of the process, you can ask us. So we're always there to support you. It's not like you learn the class and we say goodbye. We are always supporting you all the time. Our dates are level 1, 13th and 14th of March, 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. IST, or 21st March, 10:30 a.m. to 4:30. And our level 2 dates are the end of the month. So 27 and 28th March, 10:30 to 1:30, and 3rd April, 10:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So this is all about our training. We also have healing sessions, which we do, and we have quite profound cases, and we work on a lot of, big labels. Our session cost is 12,000, but just for today, we will, if the session cost is 7,500 rupees. If you want 3 sessions, so remember I told you anything that you have chronic, like chronic thyroid, money debts, diabetes, neuropathy, any of these big labels, arthritis, any of these things, then we suggest you go for a 3-session cost, and that is 36,000 rupees generally. But for today, it is 18,000 rupees. And if you want a 5-session cost, if you want, you can include family as well. And our general cost is 60,000 rupees. And just for today, it is 25,000. So that makes a session of only 5,000, which is a big savings for all of you. So Pooja, isn't that a great deal?
Yeah, wow, so sweet. That's a great deal. I'm excited to enroll for the class, or anyone can take sessions also, where you are giving such a wonderful उनको दे रहे हो आप, ऑफर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं आपके, एक्साइटेड है. तो जनरली लोग वो सेशंस के लिए भी जा सकते हैं और सीखने के लिए भी आ सकते हैं.
So those who want to contact us, I'll put it in the chat. You can contact us. Pooja also has most kindly hosted us as well. And you can get in touch with Pooja if you aren't able to get in touch with us, and she will guide you as well and answer any questions you have. So yeah, we are open to any questions. We have like about 5 minutes. If anybody has any questions they want to ask, we can answer them.
Ma'am, surgical issues like varicose veins and like regrowth of the hair can be cured? Means like varicose veins can be completely cured?
So varicose vein is basically poor blood circulation. So it takes time, but the pain and discomfort can be cured very quickly. But the physical appearance will deteriorate, but it takes time. It doesn't happen very fast. So in this case, we tell people to learn, but the physical discomfort part goes very fast. It goes fast.
Okay.
Yeah. But if it is only, if you are coming for cosmetic reasons, then it takes time for it to fade.
But varicose veins, that blueness will be like gone, like after learning and after practicing it, it will
Yes.
get cured completely.
I answered your question. If it is the looks, because the discuss, some people, they are very painful for some people. So the pain part will go fast, but the cosmetic part, the appearance of the veins take time to, because it's a lot of poor blood circulation. So that takes time to heal.
Yeah. Okay.
और जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है उसमें आप लोग कोर्स के डिटेल्स, कभी कोर्सेज है उसके बारे में और सेशंस के चार्जेस वगैरह आपको वहाँ पे मिलेंगे। आप वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी कुछ क्वेश्चन तो आप पूछ सकते हो। प्रीडाइल चार्ज से आपको वहाँ पे रिप्लाई करेंगे।
एक्सक्यूज मी पूजा जी, क्या ये हेयर फॉल और वेट लॉस में भी वर्क करेगा?
तो सी वेट लॉस और दूसरा क्या पूछा?
हेयर फॉल
तो definitely it can be addressed beautifully. Weight loss में what if it doesn't work only by energetic healing, you need to eat healthy and you need to exercise. So if you are doing those two things along with this, then it will work. But if you think that only by energy clearing and not doing anything else, so then it will not work.
I want to say when I actually had worked on weight loss, so the first thing that I worked on was my motivation to exercise. And actually it was like my daughter's wedding, and I wanted to lose some weight, you know, to fit into slimmer dresses, obviously. So I first worked on weight loss, and then we did this, and I said, okay, what is, like, I looked at the best exercise that would be for me. And so the best exercise that it said would be for me would be an exercise that I would do for 46 minutes. And then I did my session for motivation of exercise. And then 2 days later, I got exposed to this Bharat Thakur's yoga. And that was exactly 46 minutes. And that's what happened. Like, you know, I vibrated that session to do, I did a motivation exercise. And from that, I lost weight. And then I could do other things. So, yeah.
Wow. That's great. और किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं, नहीं तो फिर हम वाइड अप।
So money blockages and money, this is 3 sessions here. So those who ask for money, it's 3 sessions. And we do very, very awesome money sessions, mostly for most people, even debts. Those people who are in debts have also, so for debts, it's 4 sessions, because what we do in debts, we do an energetic settlement of your debt. So somehow the universe will settle your debt.
Wow.
Or you get money, yeah. So it's a very profound session we do for debts as well. So quite powerful.
Okay.
ये कोर्स में जो डेब्ट सेटलमेंट है, ये हम भी सीखेंगे फर्स्ट लेवल में?
You can do it. You will learn a smaller method and you can learn to manifest. But of course, we have our own techniques that, you know, we do, which we share with you later on at higher levels. But for now, yes, you will manifest. We are people who are, we do our first session to manifest unexpected money. And most people receive unexpected money.
Yes. With level 1, you get the technique and you are able to manifest money. Yes. So basically, yeah. So for level 1 students, for certain chronic issues, they need to spend more time, in the sense, like, you know, and the method is very simple and quick. So you can do anything and everything with it, but you need to be a little consistent with the spending at least 10 minutes every day, if it is a chronic issue.
Guys, thank you so much for this call. Thank you for your questions. We have posted our WhatsApp numbers in the chat. Please take it down. If you haven't been able to, please contact Pooja. Pooja has all the information. If not, the group that has been made, you can post your questions there and we will be more than happy to answer. I will post the PDF in that group as well. So those who would like, as well as the recording, who would like to listen to the recording again. Yes, and thank you so much for your time with us. I hope you enjoyed it and it was more insightful for you. So thank you very much.
Thank you guys, and thank you, Pooja.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much. Bye guys.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.